Hello dear viewers. Today I have make a videos for the giraffe demography. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffe. Actually, it is the largest kinds of animal in the world and wildlife. The giraffe's distinguishing characteristics are its extremely long necks and legs, its horn-like ossicons, and its sparse coat pattern. It is classified under the family Giraffidae, along with its closest excellent relatives, the Okapi. The giraffes integrated various ancient and modern cultures for the peculiar appearance and has often been featured in painting, books, and cartoons. It is classified by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) as vulnerable to executions and has been extirpated from many parts of its former range. Giraffes are still found in the numerous national park and game reserves, but estimates of the 2016 insights there are approximately 97,500 members of the giraffes in the wild. More than 1,600 were kept in zoos in 2010. That's all, dear viewers. Please subscribe my channel and give some likes and comments, which helps to modify the channel. Thank you very much.